Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important question from module 3. So our question is write ALP of adding a list and numbers using indirect addressing mode. So LP to add a list of n numbers. So using indirect addressing mode, we will do this. So what are the assumptions in this question? The starting address of the list is stored in a register R1. The number of elements n is stored in register R2. The sum is stored in register R0 and indirect addressing mode is used to access the data. So these are the assumptions. And what are the algorithms? First one is initialize sum to 0. So then we will load starting address of list into pointer register. Then load count n. Then add each element pointed by the pointer to sum. And then fifth, increment pointer to next memory location. And then the decrement count. Then we will repeat until count becomes 0. So then we will store the result. These assumptions and algorithm we have to do before writing the code. Now here is our assembly language program. Here we use move hashtag 0 r0. This is used to clear some register. Then we move list r1 to load starting addresses of list into r1 register. Then move n into r2. Then load number of elements in n. Then the loop we use, and then add operation for r1 and r0. Add contents of memory pointed by r1 to r0. Then we increment r1 pointed to next memory location. Then we decrement r2. Then we jump a loop if r2 is not equal to 0. Then we move r0, the result will be stored, then store final sum. Then we halt. So here I have written the explanation of indirect assembly mode. So R1 is indirect addressing, then R1 contains the address of the data. Actual operand is fetched from the memory location pointed by R1, and this line proves indirect addressing. So like this you have to write in your examination. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.